Welcome to our instructional video on replacing the filters in a Winix Air Purifier. Follow along as we guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. This flashing red light is the filter replacement indicator. Once it starts flashing red, you know it is time to replace the filters. To begin, remove the old filters from the machine. Take the new filters out of their plastic wrap and install them as follows. Insert the true HEPA filter securely in the back of the unit. Next is the washable advanced odor control carbon filter. Finally, reinstall the existing permanent fine mesh pre-filter and close the front panel. While the unit is turned on, hold the filter reset button until you hear a beep. Congratulations, you are all set.